Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, we will be answering another math count question which is from algebra dun sa competition kahapon mga Lodi Kicks. And this is an inequality. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay Joshua Bobis and kay Justin Lawrence Arias na na-meet ko kahapon. And galingan nyo palagi mga Lodi Kicks and I hope na maging future engineer kayo as well as top-notcher. And alam ko kayang-kaya nyo yan and God bless you always. So, ang problem natin is, what is the sum of all integers x that satisfy the inequality x squared minus 20x plus 25 is less than 0? So, ang tanong kasi dito is, this question is good for 40 seconds. So, dapat, alam natin yung pinakamabilis na approach dito. So, alam naman natin na hindi ito perfect square na trinomial. Pero, alam natin na pwede natin itong express in this way. So, x squared minus 10x, so pwede natin i-completing the square. So, x squared minus 20x, how do we complete? How do we make this a perfect square trinomial? So, i-divide lang natin to by 2 and then square it. So, negative 20 divided by 2, negative 10. And then, square po natin si negative 10. So, that is positive 100 mga idolo. So, is less than, di ba itong 25, pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging negative 25. However, we added 100 on the left side of the inequality. Siyempre, to neutralize or to balance, we also need to add 100 dun sa right side natin. So, i-rewrite natin to as x minus 10, quantity squared is less than 75. So, dito na tayo mag-i-start ng ng pinaka-magiging analysis. Paano natin kukunin yung mga integers x na magsasatisfy dun sa inequality natin na na-derive or na-obtain from this. So, alam naman natin na ang 75 is less than 9 squared, which is 81. So, ibig sabihin pala, Sir IJ, dapat yung value nito must be from 1 to 8. Tama ba, guys? Kasi dapat, syempre, ang pinakamalaking value lang na pwede mag-satisfy dito na perfect square kasi may square to is 64. So, alam naman natin na ang square root ng 64 ay 8. So, kaya lang, guys, ito yung trick part dyan. You have to consider na pwede rin naman yung negative counterpart niya. Pwede rin negative 8 kasi kapag negative 8 yung value nito, kapag in-square natin si negative 8, that is equal to 64 pa rin which will satisfy. So, ibig sabihin pala, itong nasa loob natin, mas satisfy negative 8 must be less than or equal to x minus 10 is less than or equal to 8. Bakit naging ganyan, Sir IJ? Kasi, ito, x minus 10, ang pinakamalaking perfect square na malapit sa 75 that is less than that is 64. Ang square root ng 64 is 8, kaya lang i-consider natin si negative 8 kasi this is squared. So, i-consider natin yung negative counterpart. And then, mag-add lang tayo ng 10 sa both sides. So, ito plus 10 ka lang din. Ito plus 10. So, we will come up with 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 18. So, ayan, medyo madali na yan. 2 to 18. Ano yung sum ng 2 to 18? So, alam naman natin na ang sum ng isang arithmetic series is equal to n over 2 multiplied by a sub 1 plus a sub n. And napakadali na nito, guys. Alam natin na yung 1 to 18, 18 numbers. So, 2 to 18 is 17 numbers. So, this is 17 over 2 multiplied by a sub 1 plus a sub n. Alam naman natin na 2 plus 18 is 20 divided by 2, that's 10 times 17. Therefore, the correct answer is 170. So, yun na po yung pinaka-quickest approach na pwede natin gamitin dito sa problem na to. And sana kahit paano na-refresh ko kayo sa mga ganitong klase ng problem, especially those aspiring math wizards and future math champions. So, yun guys, maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel ni Sir IJ. I hope you all the best and God bless you always. And sana mas marami pa kayo matutunan sa mga past, present, and future videos na ituturo ni Sir IJ sa YouTube, sa TikTok, pati sa Facebook account and Facebook page natin. And thank you so much everyone. Bye-bye and God bless.